Hey YouTube, this here's a 2021 Yamaha XT250. So if you look here in the top right corner, the bike is off, the key's not even in, but the time is always displayed. So right now it's showing 6:31. It doesn't have an AM or a PM. So I'm just gonna show you how to adjust the clock. So first you put your key in the ignition and turn it to on. You don't have to start the bike. Here you have select and reset. You hold those two buttons together for 2 seconds until the hour starts blinking. So 1, 2, release. As you can see here, the 6, it's blinking. So now to scroll forward, that's the only way you can do it, is you just simply press reset. So reset, reset, reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you press select to set it. So 7, and now the minutes are flashing. You do the same thing. So hypothetically, you might have to press this 59 times to get the right time. So 33, 34, 35. And then to set it, you just press select. And now you can see the bike is set. As I said before, there is no AM or PM, but it should be obvious because the sun will be up or the sun will be down. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.